Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on OnlyFans quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First of all, it's important to know that OnlyFans doesn't have traditional add friend features like other social media platforms. Instead, you follow creators or users by subscribing to their profiles. If you know your friend's OnlyFans username or profile link, simply search for it in the search bar at the top of the homepage. Once you find the right profile, hit the subscribe button and you'll instantly be following them. Now, if your friend has a free subscription account, you can follow them without any payment. But if it's a paid account, you'll need to pay the subscription fee they have set. Also, make sure you are logged in with your account to see the follow or subscription option. If you want them to follow you back, you can share your own profile link with them too. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.